What's good everybody, it's Structify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get a vending machine on your Fortnite Creative map. So the first thing you want to do is locate island settings. If you're on a PC like me, you can press escape and then right over here click on the island settings. Then in here you want to go to contents, and contents is going to show you this page. In here you want to scroll to devices. In devices, you want to search for vending machine. Right here, click on it and then press equip. It's going to equip the vending machine on your toolbar. Right here, come back and then it's auto selected for me, but if it's not auto selected for you, press Fin plus escape to select your phone. Or if you have any other way to select your phone, you can do that, and then after you've done that, you want to select the vending machines. After you have selected the vending machine, you want to place it anywhere you want. After you place the vending machine, you want to go to island settings. In island settings, you want to go to content. In content, you want to scroll down to weapons. In weapons, select any weapon of your choice. Let's say I like this one. Then press equip. It's going to equip it in your toolbar, just like before. Now, what you want to do is go back. Now, deselect your phone, and then right here select your gun and then drop it. Now the vending machine is going to take it, and if I start a game right now, as you guys can see, the vending machine is going to spit out the gun. So that was how you guys could get a vending machine on your Fortnite creative map. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.